Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Honda CRV maintenance light reset. And I have already reset this car. The reason is I was doing the video and then somebody called in, and in the middle of the the whole process, and I already reset it. Now I'm gonna do another video of resetting it, but the reason why it took so long, because this particular car and model or make has two type of reset. You can reset it with this screen, with these button, menu, enter, left, right, up and down, or if you equip with this the screen right here, you can reset it here. Now this is where I it got cut. I got cut off, so I'm gonna redo everything. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and turn your car on without starting. Go press home, go setting. This is for you guys who want to reset on this screen right here. You're gonna hit vehicle, go down to maintenance info, select reset item, and do all item, and then you're gonna press reset, and that's it. And then for those of you that are not equipped with this and want to reset on this side, you're gonna have to go to press menu. Okay, you see the wrench, enter on the wrench, and then press and hold for approximately 10 to 12 seconds on the enter button. And that will show up. So scroll down to all do item, enter on that, and that is it, guys. And that is how you do it. That is how you reset this particular car, model, make, and yeah. Anyway guys, don't forget to click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.